You got one?
Oh, nice one.
You got one?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Let's go. I gotta get my... Oh, that's a nice one right there.
Right by the dock. Look at that one, dude.
Dude. Solid, dude. Let's go. There. There we go. What we're using. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that's deep enough, right? Yeah. Oh God, you got another one. I'm coming in. I'm coming in with you. Oh yeah. There you go.
This one's smaller.
That's a smaller one.
Oh, that's gonna be one.
The closer you are into the dog, the better, I'd assume. I'm coming with you.
Alright.
Oh, that's a nice one. Come on. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh my God. Look at that fat. Oh God. Oh, I just had one. Jesus. Let's go. Look at that. Oh, that's fun. That is nice. And it's gonna start turning on here. Huh? Do they hit it like right when you jig, or do you sit it?
Yeah, but sometimes they'll pull it under. Usually they pull it under.
I'll come there with you.
I just bounce it and let it sit. Bounce it, let it sit. They just pull it under.
Right. Oh, come on.
There you go.
Got him.
Got one too.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Looking at you and I got one.
Doubles, baby. Let's go. Get in the boat.
Mine's smaller. Both of them go back.
These are going back.
This thing. Hey, most people keep those.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. That's fun when you're catching them in plastics. You can't beat that. It's so cool how they hit it too. Just like, damn. Oh. Oh. You got another nice one?
That one?
Oh yeah, this is big. It's probably a bass. There's no way it's a crappie.
You'd be surprised. It is a crappie.
You know, it is. That thing's got some heart. Oh, dude, that's a nice one. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, I wasn't lying, was I, dude?
Look at that. Right in the snout. Hell yeah. That's a nice crappie, dude. I was like, oh, I got a hit. Got one. There we go. I don't know how big it is. Doesn't seem big. But the plastics work. Oh, I got them good. Oh, a good hook set. Pop that. Come on. Get out of there. There we go. And there you go. Nice one?
No, I think it's a decent one.
Oh, that looks a nice one. What do you mean? Isn't it? That's a nice one. Come on. Come on. If you say that's a throwback, I'm getting excited. If you say that. got, oh, just missing. Yeah, it's a good one. Got it?
I think that's 4.
Yeah, they're back in here.
He hit that out a little ways.
Yeah, I just got hit. The ball right there.
Oh, fuck. Oh. That's one thing I hate about braided.
Oh, you got tangled again?
Yeah.
Oh, got one. Oh, Jesus. How did I get him off? That was a nice one, dude. Oh. God, I hate when it happens. Oh, you're all wrapped around the bobber or something?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
There, I got it.
Ooh. Can't get much closer than that. Come on. Give me a fish. I deserve it. There it is. See, I knew I deserved it. Throwback.
Yeah.
You got one. We're on them.
We're definitely on.
Oh, that sounds good. Oh,
Well, there's no big as
no.
it's gonna be.
It's had a lot of heart.
Got a lot of hurt. It ain't a snout though.
That's what matters. Hook him in the right spot. Oh, just got popped. Oh, got him. There we go. He hit hard. Oh God, this is a nice one, I think. There we go. And you know where that went? Right in the snout. Right in the snoot. Got him. Felt him. Told you that works. Oh, yes. Look at this. That's a keeper. Dude, that was sick. Alright, calm down. This looks like more like a male or something.
That's number 5, right?
That's a good one.
Count them in and make sure. I think that's number 5.
3, 4, 5. Having a good fish fry. Fish fry's happening. Shit, just go right here and just let it dangle, like tap, 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 tap. See if I can get it again. Shit. You got one? Oh, let's go. That's a good one. Yes. Yeah.
6.
Oh, got one. Oh yeah. There we go.
This one? Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh God. I'm breaking my 4 pounds.
7.
Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, it just gets so fun doing this. Spring crappies are here. 6. 7. Catching them so fast and can't keep up. There's another. How good's that one? Hello, that looks small. Oh, we're getting away to our spot. So oh, just got hit. Got him. Little guy.
That's why you probably be getting closer to the males, you know. The smaller ones are all the males.
Right. Yeah, you can.
You know. That's why. Fucking hands are still cold, dude.
Boom. You can't beat that kind of jigging.
Wasn't lying, was my man?
No. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, I'm gonna have to hand grab this one. Calm down there, Skippy. Calm down there, Skippy. Oh my God. Oh, I got him. That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Good eater. Good fillets. Right there, man. Number 8.
He's done in an hour.
We're gonna be done quick. We're gonna be done quick.
Come on, it's time for a Mac Daddy 15 inches.
That's you just right when you said that, he's caught one.
15 inches, though.
Oh, that's a decent one, though. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Right in the snout.
Throwing that in. You got one? Oh. Is that the Mac Daddy you're talking about?
No. He's decent. He's not even a keeper. He's just fighting hard.
Got one. Oh, this feels big. Get in the boat.
Yeah, throw him back.
Yeah. You know. Ooh, that sounded nice.
Oh, this one might be good.
That sounded nice. I just knew right at the gate that sounded like a. Oh, it's small.
What the hell? I never would have thought that.
You got a male, a little one. That fooled you. Fooled me. Just from hearing it.
Yeah, they get beat up after a while. But you know, they're like $1.99.
Got him. I don't know how big it is. Oh, this could be good. This could be good. What do you think? Throw them back. We'll get you next year. My gosh. Oh, it's got popped. And he's done. It's like a male. Oh, look at this male. This thing. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Like I bet you we've caught 30 crappies already.
Yeah, we caught about 30. Got 10 in the live well. Oh. I got popped, but.
I just got popped too.
Oh, there we go. And doubles. Oh, we almost had doubles there. Oh my gosh. You're on one right now. Oh, that's a nice one. That's on the edge. Maybe throw it back.
Oh no, he's a good one.
I was gonna say, look good.
They caught a few.
Yeah. Oh, that got popped. I saw that one. That was kind of cool how it hit. Little guy though. Little itty bitty.
Oh, he's up yet.
Yeah, might as well. I want to get a 15. That's what I want. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed. Tap, 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 tap. And bam. Oh. Ow. Oh. Got me. Got me. God, it's so fun. Just jig it. Vertical jig, just like this. There it is, just like that. Oh, that was a nice one. That was a nice one. This is what I'm doing right here. It's like, and I feel them. It won't take long. I already got one. Oh, I thought it did. There's it. There it is. There it is. Little guy. Little guy. Male. One dark. It's cool. Cool colors on these males though. Some cool colors on these males. And pop. Ow. Oh, you can't get a better hook set than that. There we go. Oh, it came back on. Yeah, these hooks just, they hook so well. There we go. Yeah, I haven't needed my energy drink. I've been having so much energy going on right now. These fish got me going. There it is. A little corner spot. Little guy though. Oh, sorry bud. That probably hurt.
I still don't think we'll ever beat a walleye fishing like that one night we had.
Oh, on the boat or on the bridge? Yeah. God.
Fuck. That was stupid ridiculous.
Keep it. We got 12?
Oh, yeah, that's a good fish, huh?
Yeah. 12? Yeah. Oh my god, it's got wet.
Tastes like the pail is gonna be full.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Come on, no way. I think they're getting ready to spawn. There's a lot of males in here now.
Yeah. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Ran that, you know what? Now, every time, ran the roof of their mouth. It's hard to get them off. But hey, little guy. Oop.
Crappie?
I don't know, it might be. I don't know how big it is. It feels good though.
Rock bass?
That's a crappie. It's a male. Yeah. Whoa, they inhaled it. Whoa, almost fell. Look at that. Just inhaled it. You got one. This feels good. Or it sounds good.
This is a nice one. Oh yeah, this is a nice one.
Got one. Oh, this feels good. I don't know yet. Maybe not. Nah. It's a male or it's a female. It's a smaller one. It's not terribly small, but got him. I think I found a sweet spot right here. Same exact spot. Little guy though. What were we saying? Oh yeah. Are they back? Oh, yes they are. Oh, this feels nice, dude. This feels nice. Come on, be a crappie. Oh, it's a giant. Oh, God. I don't want to. Oh, there we go. Oh, my God. They're so thick in this lake. Look at that.
That's a nice fish.
There's a nice fish. Oh my god. I know I should have just grabbed by hand. I was going to regret that any moment. Using 4-pound test, it almost feels like you're going to snap your line too. God, I hooked them good. Can't get them off. Come on. There we go. Just bent my hook a little bit. There we go. 13. Just for fun, try the blue one. Just because. There we go. Got one? Got a nice one? Got one too. Just like that. Oh, oh dude, that's a big one. Let me grab this one quick.
Oh my god, it's very big. I knew that.
Oh, there we go.
I knew that was a big one.
What in the world? Hold that up.
I told you that was a big one, Jake.
Here, let me get that out. Look at that.
That's a big one.
Want a picture of that real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, I still got my crappie. I forgot about it.
Yours is decent too. Hey, I told you that was a big one. I knew it was.
Look at the difference.
Look at the difference.
And mine's a pretty good one, you know?
Here's the measure.
It's got to be a... Should we keep this one?
You can.
How good is this one? Watch, just another giant. Oh, got one. We got doubles. We got doubles. Mine's tiny.
Just a good meal.
Hey, the blue's working too. I have a fish here. Had a bite. There we go. Little guy. I think really any skirt will work.
I'm most likely keeping that.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one. Oh, that's not a bad one, but we'll still throw them back. I mean, still a good one, you know what I mean? It's a handful.
Throw them in there if you want. It's up to you.
Nah, it's a good one, but I'm not in a rush. Either way, we got plenty. But yeah, I'm definitely having a fish fry, that's for sure. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's just a little bit better than mine. Right? I'd say, right? Oh yeah, for sure. It's a little bit better than mine. 15.
Take your bobbers,
Oh, Jesus. Oh, this feels good. Oh, maybe not. Probably one of those tough males.
You can't even put a fucking fish in the line while the barber's under.
That is what I'm talking about. You don't have to move the skirt when you catch them. Oh, got me wet. Those males can fight harder sometimes. Ah. Maybe? Got him. Ooh, this is a good one, I think.
Good one?
I think.
Oh yeah.
Strong man.
Oh yeah. I think he's bigger than the one I just got. Now we're gonna throw him in there.
Oh god, yeah, that's heavier than I thought. I can't even get him up. Oh, oh, it just came up. Dude,
I'm setting on my fish opposite hand right now. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, I mean, 16. We could have been done a long time ago, but, you know,
Too much fun.
caught about what? I don't even know. It feels that way, doesn't it? But, got 16 in the live well. Can't complain. Oh, got him. That's going to be the smallest one of the day.
Yeah.
That's a little baby. We need those too, though. Need those too. Oh no, that is making a mess. Great. There we go.
Oh, they just fucking piled in that corner over there.
What's that?
They just piled up in that corner.
Yeah. It's amazing how many fish that come through here to that little channel.
Yep.
It's like, and you never see them come through, but like it's all overnight, you know? So you want to take like a flashlight in that night and just see how much they come in. There's one. This feels like a nice one. Maybe not. Nope. When you can flip them like that, they're not that big.
There you go. We got out here. I got turned around the lake. I was so foggy on the lake. Oh, it was really foggy. We got back here. There was one boat out there. I think they got out here super early in the morning because so we have to come back in the day. We were what, 10, 15 minutes in there?
Yeah.
I think we've got 16 or 17 live already. We've probably caught about 7. Oh, nice. Very nice. Okay. Alright. It's cool out this morning. They're supposed to get nice. It was cool out. My hands are cold and stuff. My hands are really cold, but...
Oh, there we go. It's a good one. Nope. Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, that sounds good.
Feel as big as you think.
No? Got one too. Doubles. I don't think mine. Ooh, I don't know. Oh yeah, mine's good. Mine's good. Mine's good. Oh, am I gonna risk it? Yeah, because it's a good hook set. Oh, I barely can get him up. Oh, this is so fun, man. He can't beat this. Look at that. This is just awesome. Yeah, but... Oh no, there we go.
I'm out of here.
There's one. Get in the boat. Hey, the blue's working, man. I caught a lot with the blue. It's good to know if you run out of those, you got the blue. Oh, that's a good one. Right?
Wow.
Gee. Oh, this is really awesome. All right, now using this. That's about where I had that fish right there. Got him. Oh, come on, this feels good. No, get over here. We're good, we're good. That's a male, I can tell you that. It's dark, it's small. I mean, it's not small, but, oh, thank you.
Good catch and release.
Make that easy for me.
He's fighting.
Oh, that's a good one.
A good one?
Yes.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You want me to get it?
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, I don't think he's as big as I thought. He's good. Oh yeah, he's good. That's a good one. That's a good one. Woo-hoo. Look at that snout. Those are the... Oh shoot, I don't want to ruin your... Oh man, you got you... Okay, stop. There we go. Oh, you might have to adjust that.
19, we need one more.
Who's gonna get the last one? God, that's a nice one. Nice?
Oh, I think it's just a good meal.
Got one. Oh, this feels good. That's a nice male right here I got. I got a male, that's for sure. This is a good male. Holy crap. Look how cool these colors are. Just the darkness on them. Ooh, he's got a weird mouth. What's going on with him? Look at this. Look at this mouth.
Oh, wow.
Like he can't even open it. That's weird. Huh. Interesting.
But I showed her how to do this. I told her they either twitch it and they'll hit it.
There it is. Oh. You know?
Yeah.
That's a male.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think I'm going to sit down for a while.
Got our limit. Look at all that slime in there. Those are some caliber fish right there. Just load. Tanks, baby.